Yeah, that's right. You know. Hey y'all, what it is, what it do, it's your boy Jay Smooth. Welcome to another episode of Smooth Customs. And yes, just like every other video, it's been a while since I posted one. I really missed you guys this time, and trust me, I wanted to make videos for you guys, but as you know, married, kids, got a job, and trying to do other hobbies in between, it's hard to get to these videos. The wife had me doing bathroom remodel, pantry in the kitchen, all kinds of stuff. Not to mention, I've been distracted by my new boo. And no, it's not the slingshot. It is a 2020 Can Am Ryker. That's right, I got another toy, so don't be mad at me, y'all. Yeah, so this video is most definitely not gonna be about VIP anything or the Lexus. So for those of y'all that thought this was that, I am sorry. If you wanna watch and check out what I'm getting into, I appreciate it. If not, the next video most definitely will be Lexus. And I have been working on the air ride, but that video is not finished. But I am working on it. I'm working on it. It'll be here soon. You know, I'm getting sidetracked. I'm loving the Ryker. I think I like it more than the slingshot. And I've been riding every weekend. Red Rock Canyon and stuff. So one of the things that has become apparent is that unlike the 2022 model that's coming out, the 2020 does not have cruise control. So I saw this video somewhere. I don't remember if it was YouTube or Facebook, one of the Ryker groups, but this guy did this hack for his Ryker and his wife's using an O-ring. So I'm gonna follow his hack. He explained how he did it, but he didn't really show it step by step, so I'll show it step by step for those of y'all that want to see how I do it. And of course, I know some of y'all are thinking right now, but wait, why are you doing that? There's a throttle lock. There's a thing called Atlas throttle lock. It works great. That's just $150, and you already know. Balling in the budget, baby. All right, so let's get to it. Let's go. All right, so right here we have an O-ring that I got at Home Depot. This right here cost me about $5, and this is a replacement O-ring for water filter systems. So when you go to Home Depot, ask for one of those. I got these. Now these are basically some clamps. It's a furrow stop set. I'm gonna use that to clamp a loop in this. This right here was like $2 and some change. So this is for under $10, this hack. And so let's get to it. So, this hack, first thing we're gonna do is cut our O-ring. Now, the video that I saw, the guy said that this was supposed to be approximately 8" in length. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do first, and then if I need to cut it down, I'll do so. Alright. Next step here. Alright, so all we're gonna need is this one right here. One of these. We'll save this for something else. Alright, so the first thing that needs to happen is I'm gonna slide this through here. Now he did say in the video that you could wrap some he did say in the video that you could wrap some wire, aluminum wire, but I thought that it would be better to use this, which apparently it might not be better. Alright, so tried that and it's not gonna work. This one's too small. So we're gonna go to plan B. And alright, plan B. This plan is out. It probably would have worked if I would have got a bigger diameter to fit this. But anyways, this is plan B. Got this wire right here. and I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece of this and see if I can get this to work. Alright, so now the plan here is to make a loop where this will have the wire be snug. So we're gonna take this wire. He did say that you can super glue this together, but I don't really want to use super glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this wire here, and I'll try to make it as tight as possible. I'll wrap it around this to make sure this does not come loose. Let's see. Come up more with it. So that is what I did right there, that loop. So the purpose of that loop is to put this through it right there and have it catch. All right, so now that that loop is done, right, I'm gonna take some heat shrink and that should work. Let's cut it down to size. Alright, so I'm going to slip this heat shrink over this just to... Alright, so I just slid this heat shrink over it right there to protect the wire. Perfect, let that cool off. Well, here we go. So, the way I'm gonna place this is loop it over top right here. Run this side through the loop. Alright, run it through the loop. And then it's a little long, so where I want it to be at is I want to make sure that when I regular acceleration, it's not obstructing anything. The key is to stay right here wedged between the throttle handle and this mechanism, right? Because what it's going to do is going to create friction and pressure between the rubber and this. Now you want to leave about, I don't know, approximately an inch. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And that is what I have left over. I'll measure that right now when I'm done to see where it's at. All right, so here's the principle, right? So you're on the highway, right? You're on the highway, you're doing 90, your wrist gets tired, max throttle, turn that down, and it should hold right there. Holding. Oh, some trucks get it in the way. Throttle down, and then just yank this up. That's it. Cheap, but it works. All right, y'all. Well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this Ryker balling on a budget video, and so this thing right here came out to measuring approximately 8 inches long. So I'm gonna go try it out this weekend, see if it works, and keep you guys posted. Actually, maybe I'll even add the video in this video, right? See how that works. All right, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Black face rims with the chromed out lids. My car sit low, but it never feel down. And I know it look bad, but it never feel sad. Lips poked out like whining ass children. System turned up, you can hear it in the buildings. Top chopped off, bitch, no ceilings. I be pulling bitches, but I'm never catching feelings. 187, I'm making a killing. So much money, I can leave it to my children. And I ain't even got none, but now I'm just practicing. My car pulls nurses, police, women, and actresses.
Chrome lips walking out the coupe look like it's power. Chrome lips walking out the coupe look like it's power. Chrome lips walking out the coupe look like it's power. Chrome lips walking out the coupe look like it's power.
I'm in my two-seater taking up 2 lanes with a bad bitch that look like